What happens to your body when you take turmeric every day? Turmeric, a spice renowned in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine for centuries, has gained immense popularity worldwide and is now recognized as one of the most widely used herbs. Supported by numerous research studies, its remarkable benefits have been substantiated. Given its potent anti-inflammatory properties, it comes as no surprise that turmeric has become a common fixture in kitchens. However, beyond its flavorful qualities, let's explore the transformative effects that regular consumption of turmeric can have on your body. 1. Reduces pain associated with arthritis. Arthritis is a condition characterized by joint inflammation, resulting in pain and swelling. The most prevalent types of arthritis include osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and gout. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can contribute to pain reduction associated with arthritis due to its key component, curcumin, which possesses notable anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin aids in diminishing inflammation and pain by inhibiting the activation of mast cells, cells in your body responsible for allergic reactions, by substances called cytokines. Mast cells release histamines that trigger symptoms such as swelling, redness, itching, and more. A comprehensive review of several studies on curcumin's use in treating osteoarthritis revealed its effectiveness in alleviating stiffness and pain, although its impact on improving functionality and quality of life remains uncertain. This indicates the need for further research to determine the specific efficacy of curcumin in treating osteoarthritis. Additionally, turmeric contains antioxidants that can safeguard against oxidative stress induced by free radicals generated during the inflammatory process. 2. Boosts brain health. Multiple studies have provided evidence that turmeric possesses the potential to enhance brain health by improving memory and reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is believed to be responsible for these effects. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties are thought to safeguard brain cells from harm, while its antioxidant properties combat free radicals that can cause cellular damage. Furthermore, curcumin has demonstrated the ability to decrease beta-amyloid plaque levels in the brain, which are associated with the onset of Alzheimer's disease. Research suggests that turmeric can also shield the brain against dementia and Alzheimer's disease by lowering levels of oxidative stress within the body. Oxidative stress occurs when an excessive amount of free radicals is generated in the body due to factors such as poor diet or exposure to environmental toxins. This condition can lead to chronic inflammation, resulting in serious health conditions like heart disease, cancer, as well as brain diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. The curcuminoids present in turmeric possess antioxidant activity, aiding in the reduction of oxidative stress levels by neutralizing free radicals before they can inflict damage upon brain cells. 3. Improve sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation is an increasingly pressing issue in the Western world. Recent research indicates that over 30% of Americans sleep for less than 6 hours per night, and many get even less, with fewer than 5 hours of sleep. This can profoundly impact mental health, cognitive function, and raise the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. Fortunately, turmeric has exhibited potential in mitigating the effects of sleep deprivation. A recent study, published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, discovered that curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, could serve as a natural remedy for enhancing sleep quality in adults experiencing sleep deprivation. The study involved 20 healthy participants who were randomly assigned to receive either a placebo or curcumin extract for a period of 14 days. At the study's conclusion, researchers observed that individuals taking curcumin exhibited elevated levels of melatonin, a hormone produced by the pineal gland that regulates the circadian rhythm and promotes healthy sleep patterns. 4. It may help prevent cancer. Curcumin has demonstrated effectiveness against various types of human cancers, including breast cancer, colon cancer, leukemia, melanoma, and pancreatic cancer. Its anti-cancer properties operate through multiple mechanisms. One such mechanism involves the inhibition of kinase activity. Kinases are enzymes responsible for regulating cell division and occasionally promoting the growth of cancer cells. By impeding the activity of specific kinases, curcumin slows down their growth. Moreover, curcumin can obstruct the NF-kappa B pathway. This pathway is involved in signal transduction and inflammation promotion. Curcumin's interference with this pathway reduces inflammation in the body, which, if left unchecked, could potentially contribute to cancer growth. Additionally, curcumin has the ability to impede angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels. Tumors rely on the development of new blood vessels to grow larger and spread throughout the body. Curcumin hampers angiogenesis by obstructing the enzymes necessary for its formation. 5. It can improve blood circulation. Turmeric enhances blood circulation by promoting the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide serves as a gaseous messenger molecule that facilitates communication between cells. It aids in the relaxation and dilation of blood vessels, allowing for improved blood flow. This process leads to increased blood pressure and enhanced circulation throughout the body. In a particular study, researchers discovered that turmeric possesses the potential to prevent blood clotting by inhibiting platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation is responsible for the tendency of platelets to stick together excessively, leading to the formation of clots in the bloodstream. By mitigating platelet aggregation, turmeric addresses the underlying cause of high blood pressure associated with clot formation. 6. Supports weight loss. Emerging evidence suggests that turmeric holds potential in supporting weight loss through its effects on inflammation reduction and improved insulin utilization by the body. Inflammation is believed to play a significant role in the accumulation of fat cells, so by diminishing inflammation, turmeric may help curb fat buildup in the body. Moreover, curcumin, a component of turmeric, has the ability to enhance the body's utilization of insulin, which can aid in reducing hunger pangs and cravings. Additionally, curcumin may contribute to better blood sugar control and promote healthy cholesterol levels, both of which are beneficial for preventing weight gain. Curcumin has also demonstrated the ability to stimulate thermogenesis, the process through which the body burns calories. This effect could be attributed to curcumin's capacity to elevate levels of adiponectin, a hormone produced by fat cells that assists in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting fat burning. Furthermore, curcumin has the potential to increase energy expenditure by promoting oxidation within the mitochondria. 7. Lowers the risk of stroke. According to a comprehensive meta-analysis, the use of turmeric has demonstrated favorable effects in reducing the risk of stroke. In this study, researchers conducted a meta-analysis involving 16 studies and a total of 2,212 participants, consisting of adults ranging from 30 to 69 years old. The analysis included data from clinical trials that assessed the impact of curcumin on blood pressure and lipid profiles in human subjects. The findings revealed that, in comparison to placebo or control groups, curcumin exhibited significant reductions in systolic blood pressure, by 3 mm of mercury, and diastolic blood pressure, by 1 mm of mercury. Additionally, curcumin supplementation resulted in noteworthy decreases in triglyceride and cholesterol levels. These results indicate that turmeric, with its curcumin content, holds potential as a beneficial intervention for managing stroke risk and improving cardiovascular health. 8. Helps regulate blood sugar. One of the most promising research areas regarding turmeric revolves around its potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Diabetes represents a significant health concern in the United States, with approximately 30 million individuals diagnosed with diabetes and an additional 86 million categorized as having prediabetes. Turmeric exhibits the capacity to assist in blood sugar regulation through enhancing insulin sensitivity and suppressing the release of glucose into the bloodstream following meals. In a particular study, individuals who consumed turmeric supplements displayed lower fasting blood glucose levels in comparison to those who did not take such supplements. Another study revealed that participants who consumed turmeric extract experienced lower fasting blood glucose levels than those who received a placebo or no intervention at all. Furthermore, curcumin, a component of turmeric, may contribute to reducing blood pressure by promoting nitric oxide production in arteries while simultaneously diminishing inflammation. These findings highlight the potential of turmeric, particularly curcumin, as a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels and addressing the challenges posed by diabetes. 9. It may decrease headaches. Extensive research has demonstrated the efficacy of turmeric in alleviating various health issues, including headaches. In a particular study, patients suffering from chronic headaches and migraines were administered curcumin for 8 weeks. Remarkably, nearly half of the patients reported a significant improvement of at least 50% in their headaches. Another study compared the effects of curcumin and ibuprofen on headaches, where patients were given either curcumin or ibuprofen for a duration of 6 weeks. The results revealed that curcumin was equally effective as ibuprofen in reducing headaches. Additionally, turmeric has exhibited the ability to reduce brain inflammation, which can contribute to migraines as well as other types of headaches like cluster headaches and tension headaches. These findings highlight the potential of turmeric, specifically curcumin, as a natural and promising option for providing relief from headaches and improving overall well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.